guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are interested in getting this look, make sure you continue to watch and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video I will not be doing any talking. I'll be doing a voiceover because yeah, like I had to focus today. I changed up my whole foundation routine, so I wanted to show you guys the foundation as well as my lip routine, as well as like just an everyday glammed out look. Like just go for it. So yeah, I didn't really want to do a lot of talking and take away from that, so I'll be explaining what is happening in the voiceover. But once again, make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching.
Alright, so I'm starting out with this e.l.f. poreless primer, and we're just going to apply that all to the face because we need a good base to start out with. So from there, we're going to be going in with the NYX foundation as well as the Maybelline foundation. Actually mix them together on the back of my hand. I believe the Maybelline is in the shade 500. I'll have to check and see which shade the NYX foundation is in. But again, I mix them on the back of my hand just to kind of warm them up, and then I apply them to my face. I'm taking like a brush and just blending all of the foundation out. I normally use a sponge, but your girl has been slacking with her pimping and has not cleaned any of her sponges, so we're unable to use that. Today is actually wash day for my brushes and my sponges, so I'll be back pretty shortly with that. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. I can't remember which shade this is either, and I'm too lazy to go get up and figure it out. But I'll leave it in the description below. This is probably like the lightest of the lightest shade, and I'm just going under my eyes, down my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, you know, under my cheekbones. Just kind of make it look, you know, very plump and pulled and I don't know. You guys know. So I'm going in with that everywhere, and I'm doing my face first, y'all, because this is a new like way of me doing my foundation. So I kind of wanted to make sure it came out right before I did my eyes. foundation stick. It's in the color chocolate dip, I believe. But I use it to contour. Once again, I like my contours to be a little bit darker. I just feel like it helps to bring out my cheekbone. If this is not you, then mama, don't do it. You know, just do whatever you like to do when you like to do type of thing. Once again, this is like a new foundation routine for me, so you guys see me a little bit struggling with this because I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing. This week, like I set goals for myself, and this week my goal was to really focus on contouring because I love a good snatched nose. So yeah, this is what you guys see me doing, just really just trying to focus. And I got this little elf brush from Target. It was like $3. Totally worth the money. So if you guys are shopping or in the market for a contour little brushing thing, then elf is where it's at, okay? So now I'm going in with this bronzer from Position Formula. This is in, I think, Endless Summer. I've never really used bronzer before, but once again, I'm trying to change my makeup foundation routine. So, you know, you try new things and see what happens, and if it's cute, it comes out well, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm going in with that just to kind of soften that deep contour that I put on, if that makes sense. And this stuff smells amaze balls. Like, it smells so good. So now we're gonna set this with the e.l.f. setting powder. This is my first time ever using this. Does this have anything on the Fenty or the Beauty Bakery? Hell no. Just so you're aware, but if you just need something, you know, quick that's a little cheap, this may work, okay? But I use this every day. No, probably not. But yeah, it's just a quick little 1-2 if y'all need it, okay? Alright, so now I'm going in with the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, and we're going to be using these little colors that I'm pointing to just to give us a nice, simple, nude look. Okay, you guys want a simple and nude, this is probably the best I can do for you, okay? Alright, so now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. This is the only palette that I own by Juvia's Place, but one thing I can say about them, is that they are super pigmented. So whenever I need to like just get up and go and just throw on some shimmer, I know one swipe and I got a whole bunch of shimmer on my face from Juvia's Place. So I would definitely suggest maybe just picking up one of their palettes. They aren't bad. I don't have any reason for not owning more. It's just, you know, I just don't have a lot. But they are super, super pigmented. Definitely would suggest this palette. This is the Warrior palette. And yeah, I mean, you guys see the drip. You see it. So I literally almost threw this whole look away and stopped recording because I was like, oh, this is not right. But once I threw on my little itty bitty like just liner, and then I put the lashes on with it. By the way, these are the Hollywood lashes from 𝔼𝕪𝕂𝕠𝕤. And then I went in with like a white liner under my eye and just the mascara on. Literally, it turned out so bomb. So I'm so proud. Now you guys see me going in with my lips. You guys always ask me about my lips. I swear they are super simple. This is just like a dark brown liner. I got this from my local hair supply store. And I overline my lips and put a little gloss and a little matte lipstick on, and boom, we are done. I got my lips all plump and fluffy, and we ready for the world out here, you know? Alright, so now I'm going in. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can't remember what color this is. I'll leave it in the description box. But this is lip gloss. So I always go in with lip gloss first, and then I go in with my matte liquid lipstick because I feel like it just makes it not as matte and dry and that nasty cakey feel I don't like on my lips. Like, I'm just, ugh, I don't like that. But yeah, this is what I do. So the liquid lipstick that I'm using is from a black-owned company. It is called Real-ish, or maybe Relish. I'm not really sure. I think it's called Real-ish. But I'll go ahead and make sure that I link that below as well. Right now, you guys see me just blending this lipstick out. It is very important that you blend on your lips as well. I mean, I'm just, you know, I don't know. Y'all know how I like my lips. I like them very plump, but just juicy and stuff as well. So this is what you guys see me doing. Alright, so now I'm going in and I'm patting out that setting powder, just kind of patting it into my skin. I don't know, it depends like on what type of setting powder you guys use. Like sometimes you can't just leave it sit like that. I leave my setting powder sit because yeah, I'm a gangster, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it do what it do regardless. So I let my setting powder sit. You guys do not have to. If you want to brush it off immediately after you apply it, then you're more than welcome to do that. This is just how I do mine. I don't really have any problems with it. But you know, it is what it is. This particular setting powder, probably not my favorite, but you know, we may do with what we have. Okay, so now I'm going in with my MAC blush. As you guys can see, there's still a whole bunch of blush left. Like, I'm not real big on a lot of blush. I like blush, but like not too much, you know, like just a little bit. I'm more of like a highlight girl. Like, I love glowy skin. Yeah, you guys see me go ahead and put this blush on there. It has like a reddish undertone. I really want to try that Fenty bronzer because it has like that red deep feel to it. I really want to try it, but Riri, I'm just not sure if it's $35. Like, woo, that's a lot of money dollars. I'm still working on that, but yeah, I definitely want to try that one.